Hello folks, I hope you're doing fine. Well, since our course has started to move into more professional aspects, and as you already saw that sometimes if you want to create such an output, you need to use several AIs. Today we're going to talk about Runway. We use Runway to create a video and then edit it in Sora. So at first we go to Runway, we go for product, we click on that, we go for generate video, and this tab opens up. In this part you can send a video, you can upload a video or a photo, even alongside a prompt to generate it. But if you want to, you can create the picture, the photo using Sora. So, captating sci-fi ad featuring the uploaded image of an astronaut. Not ad, let's delete ad. Video, sci-fi video. Use a futuristic dark tone. A sense of mystery and expression creating intrigue also. Subtle glowing light, and that's it. High take also. Let's see what it generates. Runway is also an extraordinary tool that you can use for creating photos, videos, and also voices using texts. Let's see what it does. Absolutely amazing. Very good, right? Well, you see it's a bit like a cartoon. At the beginning, it's real and then it gradually becomes cartoonish. So I need to download it. I download that, go for Sora, and upload our video there. I upload this video, HD. What we want to do is, what we're doing is because, for example, an AI like Runway, right? When it comes to following your prompts, okay, is actually much better. Like for example, the video, this video was made first using Sora, and it wasn't good. But as you saw, Runway actually performed much better. So Sora performs a bit better than other AIs when it comes to realistic videos, okay? So we can get the base video from another AI and then upload it in Sora to edit it and make it a bit closer to reality. Well, we got the error of a long video and apparently it can be only 5 seconds. So we go for Canva and cut it and then give it back to Sora. Well, half of the video was cut. Let's send it again and see what will happen. We got it cut using Runway and see what it does. Great. Well, click on Remix. Change it to mild, HD, and no prompt. I only want to get it remixed. Let's wait. Let's see if we've got any video that we can go with blend. Can be interesting, I think. Right, this is the result we got. 4 videos for us to choose the best one. Well, this is not good. And of all these 3, all of them are good now, aren't they? We can go with this, for example. You see that? It's not like a cartoon anymore, like runway, right? And I believe that when it comes to realistic films and videos, Sora performs much better. And of course, we can also add another video to use blend. Let's go with this. Just like that, little by little, by setting different videos next to each other, you can create short videos using AIs. So, the focus, let's put it like this. Or for example, like that. The upper film should be influenced, should be, let's say, should have a more important role in a video. Let's see what it does. Well, this is the result. The one on the right is not good at all. Well, not that interesting, but you know, because it's mixed, it's like that. We should have done it in transition. We would have been able to get better results. But generally, what I mean is you can use different photos, you can use different videos to blend them, to use different AIs to create each and then blend them, and again, blend those that are already blends and create videos. So let's see. Let's get a new one. So this is the result. Let's see. The one on the right, not good. The one on the left, still better. Not bad. We can do with it, right? But you just need to do it. You need to keep giving it shots to get what you want, because you're not doing the job. The AI is doing the job. So you can't be sure you get what you want. You just need to try it over and over again to get what you want. Well, that is it from this episode. I hope you enjoyed it and it was useful to you, and that you can get what you want using different AIs. Have a very good day.